Breaking inputs. This is with regards to former Delhi Congress Chief Arvinder Singh Lovely, who we are now learning has joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. Remember, this is big news because remember when Lovely had in fact tendered in his resignation, he had made it amply clear that he will not be joining any political party. So this indeed comes across as a major U-turn by Arvinder Singh Lovely, who has finally joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. He had in fact resigned from the post of the Delhi Congress chief on Sunday itself, and just days later this news has now arrived. Let's quickly go across to Yash Goyal, who's joining me on the phone line. Yash, what explains this kind of U-turn, considering Arvinder Singh Lovely had back then made it amply clear he will not be joining any political party?
One thing is very clear that this is definitely a big shocker coming in for the Congress party, because when he left the post of the DPCC president, he clearly mentioned that he's not leaving the party. It's just what he's leaving is the post of the Delhi president of the Congress party. But now he joining the Congress actually is a very big dent to the Congress party, because the elections are just around the corner. And one thing is clear that everything right now, the things are very patchy within the Congress. It seems that, and in fact, earlier when we also asked Arvinder Singh Lovely that exactly why you resigned from the position, his letter was actually quite elaborative in nature. In fact, now also it seems that post his resignation and in fact post the appointment of the new president of the Delhi unit of the Congress, one thing seems to be clear, that the hectic parleys which happened on the day when he left the party, on the day he left his position, seems to be inconclusive, and that is why it seems that once again he has actually joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, on the very day when he actually resigned from his post, his political opponent, and in fact many from within the party were saying that he will be joining the BJP once again.
All right, but what are you learning from your sources in terms of what has in fact encouraged such a decision coming in from Arvinder Singh Lovely? We are already seeing a host of many of them are being labelled as turncoats, but what is the reasoning behind Arvinder Singh Lovely's decision now?
Akanksha, two things. First of all, the equation with the AICC Delhi in charge, Mr. Deepak Vavaria, that was one of the prime reason exactly why he left the party and why he left his position. And in fact, now we are also learning from our sources that could be the prime reason for this for him leaving the party as well. In fact, not only that, but we knew how he and many other party leaders from the Delhi unit were actually not happy with how the tickets were given to Kanhaiya Kumar in particular, and also to some extent to Udit Raj. In fact, the ticket distribution was also one of those factors on which Mr. Lovely was not on the same page with the high command of the Congress party, and other than that, he was also not able to make certain appointments. So he wasn't given a free hand in the party as he was supposed to be given as the party president of the state unit.
All right, certainly placing the Bharatiya Janata Party on a front foot for now. Many thanks to you, Yash, for bringing in all those latest inputs.